Hello, my name is Muhammad Hafiz Deli bin Muhammad Suhaimi. My metric number B0922 1000.
Hello, my name is Amanullah Azmi. My metric number is B0922104448. Hello, my name is Azrul Naim bin Muhammad Fizal. My metric number is B0922104445.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Abdul Hakimi bin Muhammad Azli. My metric number is B0922100200.
Before we start, we need to connect the valve to air fan gun. Make sure it's tight. So let's take a look first our display system. This is from inside and this is from the outside. First, the procedure to remove this brake, we need to loosen the wheel nuts before jack the car to prevent any wheel movement using size 21 socket. Second, lock the jack, then jack the car at considerable height and place axle stands under the car. So we are using 4 axle stands to stabilize the car every wheel. Third, remove wheel and place the wheel under the car for safety procedure. As we can see, this is a disc brake and the green color is caliper brake. And this is hydraulic cable which contains brake fluid from the master cylinder. Fourth, to disconnect the caliper screw, we need to use size 17 socket. So this is brake pad. Fifth, disconnect the hydraulic cable using size 14 socket. And then disconnect lock pin using size 17 socket to take off the brake pad. This is lock pin. The condition of the lock pin has a slight bend. The effect from this condition to our disc brake system is the brake pad will grip unevenly.
To do a run out measurement, firstly, we need to put the disc brake on this part so that we can turn around the disc nicely. And then when we put the gauge on the disc, we need to set the gauge into 0. After we already put the needle at 0, we turn around the disc in one circle and read the reading. Either the reading show a positive reading or negative reading. We need to do at a 4-point location at the disc to make sure that we get an average data for the run out measurement. And the result that we get on this run out measurement test is negative 20 micrometer.
Okay, now we calculate the thickness of the rotor. We will use a vernier caliper. Okay, so we take 6 or 8 point for the measure, and then we calculate the average value for the final value we use.
For the rub test experiment, take a chalk and rub the rotor around 2 or 3 times inside and outside surface. After that, take a brake pad and rub the surface around 2 or 3 times to get a result. If you can see that is the result. The brake pad not completely touched with chalk, mean the rotor maybe have a problem. And then we do the same thing in inside. Rub the rotor 2 or 3 times. After that, we define that the surface of rotor not in good condition.
Two causes of rotor thickness variation. First is improper installation. Rotor that are not installed correctly can rub over the time, so it will cause the thickness variation. And then the second is uneven clamping. When brake pad apply pressure unevenly across the rotor, it can lead to uneven wear and thickness variation. So the proper procedure to repair this problem is we can remachine the rotor, or we call skim, if there is enough material remain on the rotor surface. But if not, we need to change to the new rotor. For the assemble part, first we need to put the rubber grease inside the hole or around the piston, so we can push the piston easier. But we can push by hand, but if we change the seal inside, it will be tight, so we can use a hammer or anything. Then we bolt the caliper on the bracket. After bolt the caliper, we insert the pad and then insert the pin lock. After that, we put the hydraulic hose at the plate and then bolt it tighten. We can install back the tire and everything.